My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. This video going to be very special for all of Shiba coin holders, because in this video we're talking about the Shiba coin future price. What's the price of Shiba coin in 2022, friends? And on the basis of technical Indian analysis, we decided what's the next price of Shiba coin in 2022, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, friends, and remember that if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video for more news and updates, friends. Now friends, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently situation of the Shiba coin in a market. The currently price at this time price is about 0.00002 USD dollar is the currently price. And if you look the price change, so the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is negative, and last 1 week change as positive, friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the Shiba coin in this time, friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 month, only and only last 1 month price change occurred in the Shiba coin, friends. If we talk about the price change occurred in the Shiba coin, so 3,287.05% change occurred in the Shiba coin and the last 1 month, friends. The highest price is about 0.004 USD dollar, and here is a 0.00002 USD dollar. So in the last 1 month, fast occurred in the Shiba coin as about 0.002 USD dollar is the fast occurred in the Shiba coin. So the Shiba coin falls on the half in the last 1 month, friends. If we look what's the next price of the Shiba coin on the basis of technical analysis, friends, so let's do a technical analysis of the last 1 month, friends. Let's suppose that is our support line and that is our resistance line, friends. As you can see at this point, a lot of resistance occur in the Shiba coin. So as you can see here, friends, if they continue has traveled between these two lines, friends, the support line and the resistance lines, so maybe there is a lot of chances to the fast down. As you can see, take a jump fast down, take a jump fast down, friends. And now they are again ready to take a jump, friends. As I show you, the last 1 hour price change is positive, friends. So that's mean that now they are in the jumping mode at this time, friends. So friends, they goes like up, friends. If they break the resistance level, so there is a lot of chances to they hit 0.50 USD dollar in 2022. In the start of 2022, they can easily hit a 0.50 USD dollar if they break the resistance level. And if they don't break the resistance level on the next 1 month, friends, so there is a lot of chances to they fast down and the price will be become 0.0001 USD dollar, friends, if they don't break the resistance level, friends. If they break the resistance level, so the price become good. If they don't break, so the price become fast down, friends. What's your opinion about Shiba coin? Can they break the resistance level or not? Please share in the comment box, friends, and kindly don't forget to subscribe if you take channel for more news and updates.